what is price elasticity of supply. So price elasticity of supply is a measure of the degree of responsiveness of quantity supplied to changes in the product's own price. Now what does this mean? See, we know that when price is increasing, as a producer you want to supply more to earn more profit. So when price is increasing, supply also increases. But by how much? When price is increasing by 10%, is supply also increasing by 10% or by 5% or by 15%? How much? To measure that quantity, we are learning price elasticity of supply. So now let's read again. Price elasticity of supply is a measure of degree of responsiveness. Here degree of responsiveness means by how much it is changing. Measure means you are measuring measure of degree of responsiveness of quantity supplied. How much quantity is supplied when there is change in price. So quantity supplied to changes in the product's own price, that is your own product's price are changing and not your competitor's product. Okay. So again, price elasticity of supply is a measure of degree of responsiveness of quantity supplied to change in the product's own price. The formula is elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in its price. So quantity is here and price is as denominator. Numerator में क्या रखा? Percentage change in quantity supplied. Denominator में percentage change in its price. Okay, you can also represent it as ES, elasticity of supply. What does this triangle means? It means delta. Delta means change. Delta Q upon Q into P upon delta P. What does delta Q mean? Delta Q is change in quantity supplied. प्राइस चेंज हुई, उसके कारण क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड में कितना चेंज हुआ. डेल्टा क्यू इज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड. क्यू इज ओरिजिनल प्राइस ऑफ द सप्लाई. सो ओरिजिनली क्या प्राइस थी और कितना चेंज हुआ, दैट इज डेल्टा क्यू. ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी इज क्यू इनटू पी. व्हाट डज पी मीन? ओरिजिनल प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. ओरिजिनली क्या प्राइस थी प्रोडक्ट की, and delta P. Delta P means change in price of the product. So the formula is ES is equal to delta Q upon Q into P upon delta P. You have to note that price and supply move in the same direction. Hence, price elasticity of supply is positive because when price increases, supply increases. Elasticity is telling us by how much, and the formula is ES is equal to delta Q upon Q into P upon delta P.